Hi everybody, it's Miss Penny at Marengo-Union Library. How is everybody? Good. Have you been doing your crafts? Have you been liking them? Oh, good. I haven't seen any pictures of campsites yet. Yeah, that's kind of like a hint. So show us some pictures, everybody. Show us some pictures. I'm excited to see the different kinds of campsites that maybe you built that I built differently, or that I built that you built differently. Either way you want to put that. I'm really excited to see everyone's different creations. This week is a super yummy week. This week is camp food, so we're doing food. How exciting is that? Now, it's an easy one, so it's going to be a quick video, everybody. It's going to be an easy craft. And so I thought I was going to show you, maybe what we have in our little area out, our little kids area out there. So we have this s'mores container. It says there's s'more in store, make your own s'more. I don't know if anybody's tried this out yet, but inside here we have graham crackers, and there are a lot of different ways to make s'mores. So this is just a generic way, okay? But we have graham crackers, we have chocolate, and we have marshmallows. There's even a pan in here if you want to not, use a pan. If you want to use a pan, not use a pan. Okay? So there's even a book, but I think most of you probably know how to do it. Okay? So we're going to get some crackers out of the box. And we need 2 crackers, one for the top, one for the bottom. So we have 1 cracker. Then we're going to get a piece of chocolate. And we're going to put some chocolate down. Well, then we need something to mush it all together and glue it, right? We need a marshmallow. Now, normally a marshmallow doesn't really glue anything together unless we what? Roast it. We're not going to roast it here, so we're just going to pretend that we roasted it, okay? We roasted this marshmallow, not with our fingers, obviously, and with adult supervision, because when you roast it, you're by a fire normally. All right, we roasted our marshmallow, putting it on our chocolate, putting our top cracker on top, and we made a s'more. So, the interesting thing about this s'more, well, it was fun to make, right? Those s'mores are fun, and they're yummy, and they're gooey. The difference of the s'mores that we're making is we can make them and we can walk around while we're eating them. We're not going to get crumbs everywhere. We're not going to get gooiness all over our fingers, unless you use your fingers. And, well, it's just fun to make anyway, okay? I did forget one thing, so let me go in this cabinet quick. Don't peek in our cabinet with me, or you can. That's fine, too. I needed to bring out a fork. Okay, so you need a fork as well. Plastic forks, probably better if you're out camping. I mean, it's not as good for the environment, but it's good if you're for a quick throwaway option, okay? Here are the things that are going to be in your kit. And I'm going to just clean this back up so that it is out of the way, so it's not kind of bothering us while I'm trying to show you what's in our kit, okay? This is in our play area out in the library. You guys can come build your own s'more while you're here. Okay, in the meantime, in your kit, you're going to have a marshmallow. And these aren't just any marshmallow. They're the big ones, not giant. They're the big ones because you're going to want to be able to roast it. Okay? So you're going to have that. You are going to have 3 different flavors of Teddy Grahams. Yum! You're going to have a chocolate flavor. You're going to have the honey flavor. And you are going to have chocolatey chip. So you're going to have 3 different flavors of honey graham crackers. And you're also going to have the chocolatey part, chocolate. So all of this stuff is going to be in your kit. Oh, I'm also going to include a baggie. These are called, technically, walking s'mores. You can buy cookies, different kinds of cookies. You don't have to use Teddy Grahams. You can use, what can you use? You can use those striped cookies. You can use animal cookies. You can use these. These types also come in individual packaged little baggies, and those would work really well too. If they came in little baggies, you wouldn't have to pour any cookies out because you could just use your baggie, and it's in the directions on how to do that. But since I'm giving you 3 different kinds, they're not individual baggies. That's why we're going to use a baggie instead. So you're going to choose if you want to use all different flavors, or maybe you just like one of them, so you're just going to put one in there, okay? You're going to put your cookies into your baggie. That's the first thing you're going to do. And then you're going to take your chocolate and you're going to break it into little pieces, and you're going to put that in your baggie. So your baggie is going to have cookies or graham crackers and chocolate. Well, we need to make that a gooey mess because that's what a s'more is. It's kind of gooey. The marshmallow does that for us. You want to take your marshmallow now, and with that big person helping you, roast it. Roast it however you like it. If you like it black, then roast it black. If you like it just a little bit warm, then just make it just a little bit warm, so it might be just a little bit tan. You roast it however you like your marshmallows, and then you're going to want to take it as quickly as you can, but no burning yourself. I don't want you burning yourself. There shouldn't be any reason for that. You can use your fork, you can use your baggie. Get that marshmallow into your baggie while it's hot, because the reason you want to do that is that's how you're going to melt your chocolate in with your cookies and your that's what's going to make it into your little gooey, messy s'more. Then you're going to take your fork and you're going to mix that gooiness together and make your walking s'more. And then guess what? It's time to eat it. So if you made this and then your family decided, let's go on a hike, but you have this s'more to eat, it's okay because it's a walking s'more. You can take it with you. You can eat as you're walking very carefully. You don't want to trip and choke, okay? But even if you're at your campsite and you're sitting or something, you can eat it. So the neat thing about this, let's just say I took a bite, I set it down because I needed to grab a drink or I saw something. You know, sometimes if you do that with a regular s'more, then dirt gets into that marshmallow. But look, it's in a baggie. No dirt in my s'more. I can keep eating it now. That is how we make a walking s'more. So you guys have fun with these. Hopefully you have one of these flavors. It has to be somebody's favorite, right? If not all of them. So you can make a combination flavored s'more. You can pick your favorite flavor, or if you have more marshmallows and chocolate at home, you can make many walking s'mores. Have fun with this craft. Just eat it up, because that's what it's for. And I hope you guys are hiking. I hope you guys are getting outside into this beautiful summer weather. And I want to see pictures, everybody. Send pictures, send pictures. All right, I'll see you guys all next week for our next craft. Bye, everybody.